Hello everyone. So, the next few lectures we are going to discuss about video recording using OBS, Open Broadcaster software, one of the most widely used software for video recording. It's an open source software, so you can download it and use it freely. So there are different type of videos which can be recorded, and in the series of lecture we are going to use these 7 kind of video recording. First one is face recording, in which if you teach something and just record in which face is visible, that is termed as face recording. Next is image. So, in this case, your face is not visible and there is image and you just speak and that audio is recorded. So, you can say it is an audio recording. The next one is image plus face recording, in which there is background image and your face is there in the corner. Fourth type of recording is the screen recording, in which whatever you do on the screen, that is recorded. Fifth one is screen plus face recording, in which you record both the things, screen plus face. So screen is there and you show up your face also. It is the combination of screen plus face recording. The next is image slideshow. It is just like PowerPoint presentation. So image slideshow is there in the background and your face is not visible. So you just speak. That is the image slideshow recording. The last one is the combination of image slideshow and face recording, in which the slideshow is there and your face is also visible and you record it. So, Open Broadcaster software is an open source software, so you can download it from website. You just type OBS, Google search, find this first link here, click on this download button, choose the operating system, Mac, Windows, whatever you have, and click on this download installer button. Download it and run it. It will install in your system. In my system it is already running, so I'm not going to click here and run it again, launch it again. To use it, just go to window menu and type here OBS. You will find this OBS Studio and click here, click on the OBS Studio. So this is the default interface of OBS, but before going to discuss about this interface, let me clarify some points about installation of OBS. Sometimes you would find some error in installation of OBS, so you just need to know some points, like your operating system should be updated. Like if you are using Windows, then it should be updated so that the dependencies are installed. Second, the Java should be updated. You can check Java. Just go to window menu and just type Java, and you can check for updates. Java should be updated, and still if you find any error, then you can just copy that error and paste it on Google. You will find solution about that error. Now let us understand the interface of OBS. It can be used for two purposes, like for streaming and recording. So there is an option we can optimize for streaming and for recording. We are selecting here optimize just for recording and click on next and apply settings, because for this session our primary purpose is for recording. So but you can use for streaming also. Now let us understand the interface. So basically you will have to use three things like sources and start recording and show recording, that is in file menu. Three things for starting purpose. First, let us try to understand what the sources are. So, you must be using video camera of your mobile phone for recording videos. So, this is one of the source which can be used for video recording. But there can be other sources, like in this case, in this video I am using this display capture as source, not web camera as a source. So you will find this plus and minus button. So if we want to add a source, then click on plus button, and if you want to remove the source, click on minus button, and after adding a source just start recording, and after the recording is done, then click on this button will become stop recording, and then click on stop recording. Thank you.